Struggling to keep up with content creation? What if you could create 10 times more content in half the time, without burnout? Meet your new creative assistant, artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to supercharge your creativity. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media strategist, these AI tools will revolutionize your workflow. AI tools that do the work for you. 1. AI writing assistants. Examples: ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai generate blog posts, video scripts, and viral social media captions instantly. 2. AI visual generators. Examples: Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva. Magic Design used to create scroll-stopping thumbnails, logos, and Instagram posts without hiring a designer. 3. AI video and audio tools. Examples: Descript, auto-editing, Synthesia, AI avatars, Lovo.ai, AI voiceovers. Ready to unlock your creative superpowers? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below.